Good morning to all. You are here in the ATL lab of DAB Public School, Darbhanga Road, Muzaffarpur. I, as Rakesh Kumar, as a ATL in charge, welcome you all students, all learners to thinkers over here in this lab. Dear children, as you know that today is a mega tinkering day. Across lakhs of students are participating across the countries through the Zoom app. There are certain instructions what I want to give you. You please listen it carefully and follow while you are performing your activities online. Actually, you should know that your ATL school ATL ID is 16945800. If possible, you please note it down. Your school ATL ID is 16945800. Okay, and your school UDICE is UDICE number is 10140809403. Okay, it may be required over there, or maybe the inquiry from the other sides. What is your school ATL ID and all? So you can. I just want to repeat once again: 16945800. Okay. So first of all of you participants, especially the team leader, you are required to check all the materials what I am going to name here. And the materials are, you know that today you have to make a vacuum cleaner through the day-to-day materials. And the materials are 9 or 12 volt batteries, a propeller, hot glue gun, along with the glue sticks, 5 volt to 9 volt DC motors. What is available for you? You get it is choice to you. Hook wires so that you can make connection over there. Scissors so that you can make a cut into the bottles. Cardboard, plastic bottles, white bandage, or what I told you, you can use medical bandages also to make it airtight. Double side tape and soldering kit. One more thing is switch. Okay, these materials should be available on your desk. Is it okay? It is with you? Is it with you? Okay, just you noted down the Zoom ID and password. Note down the Zoom ID and password, and you have to join at 9:45. Webinar ID is 99502100337. Once again, 99502100337. And the password is, the passcode you please note it down, 12082025. Once again, I am just repeating webinar ID for the Zoom app, that is 99502100337, 120820 and 25. Passcode is 120822025. Is that okay? Is that okay? Any team has any doubt in? Okay. So we are approaching the time. You please log in to Zoom ID and you have to write the names. In place of name, you have to write DAB Public School Muzaffarpur. DAB Public School Muzaffarpur, and if possible, just put there the ATL ID. And while the competition will going on, set your cameras so that all participants should be visible over there. और सभी participants को काम करते हुए दिखना चाहिए. It is mandatory. along with some logos is over there. आपके जो पीछे logos है वो दिखे, या इधर मैं ऑनलाइन चला दूंगा तो इधर दिखना चाहिए. Got it? All set? So all the best for your today's competition. And once again, I am telling you, there shouldn't be any noise from any table. Okay? Regular videos and audios will be taken, or maybe the images will be taken, so that you should look like engaging in your work. Thank you and all the best for your today's competition. Thank you.
We actually carry Ida River, Arunachal Pradesh, the easternmost part of the network. Are you enjoying the singing?
Yes, ma'am.
And we have Government High School, Virudnagar, in an aspirational district. Thank you for joining. So these are just very few of the outdoor schools who joined us. We keep spotlighting on schools across the country. अम्बेश्वर के स्कूलों को जोड़ते रहेंगे, दिखाते रहेंगे, आप पहुंचाते रहेंगे कि क्या कितनी और एक्टिविटीज चल रही है वहाँ. हम मिलकर अभी इनोवेशन प्रोजेक्ट बनाने वाले हैं सेशन में. very much हमारी vendors this information से जुड़े हैं वो अब तक को आज ये tinkering activity सिखाएंगी और हम सब उनके साथ मिलकर ये tinkering activity करेंगे. And before we get started, I also want to thank all the state officials, all the state government officers, district officers, everybody who come together, all our vendors, for bringing this energy, for bringing this outreach and reaching out to schools and getting them excited about this and having such great wonderful participation for this class meeting is today. And again, whenever I get a meeting, I will also state officials को, district officials को, and जितने भी हमारे साथ partners जुड़े हैं और जितने भी vendors जुड़े हैं Thank you so much, Sari, for the warm welcome and appreciating and helping us out. Start with the goal even for today. So hello everyone, hello all the stakeholders, a big hello to all of you who are there who have joined us for this mega tinkering day. So what we have come here for, do you all know what are we going to do today? We are going to tinker, we are going to create and we are going to innovate together from the different parts of India. So I think we are all super excited for that and we can directly begin doing this activity, right? But before we begin this activity, I want to tell you that we have a mission to complete. As Sir has already said, we could just mention that we have a big responsibility to make a cleaner India, right? So how can we make this cleaner India? So we will start making something which can be used in your labs. And then yes, planning to make a bigger innovation, planning to make something much more bigger, which can help the whole world or the, I can say, India to be able to just look at this prototype. We will understand the parts of this prototype and then we will start building this activity. So to explain you in the very beginning, I would like to share that this is a small prototype which we have with us, the DIY vacuum cleaner. It is going to have 3 parts in it. The body is going to have 3 parts. Front part for sucking in all the dirt from the table, all the dust which is there from the table. So this is going to be the first part of our prototype. Second part is the dust collecting chamber, which we have it in this portion. And the back part where we will have our circuit assembly and everything to be done to make this vacuum cleaner functional. I hope this much is clear. सब स्टूडेंट्स को मैं अब एक बार बताना चाहूंगी कि आपका ये DIY वैक्यूम क्लीनर बनाने के लिए आपको 3 पार्ट्स में इसको बनाना पड़ेगा. फर्स्ट पार्ट होगा आपकी फ्रंट, आपका आगे का पोर्शन, जिसके अंदर से हम जो भी टेबल पे डस्ट होगा उसको सक कर पाए, उसको उठा पाए, उस पर्पस के लिए एक हम आगे का सेक्शन बनाएंगे. सेकेंड सेक्शन होगा हमारा डस्ट कलेक्टर, आपका जो चेम्बर बनेगा, अब जिसके अंदर हमारी जितनी भी डस्ट यहाँ से उठाई जा रही होगी वो इसमें कलेक्ट हो पाएगी, जिससे कि बाद में हम इसे रिमूव कर सकें. एंड तीसरे पार्ट के अंदर वी आर गोइंग टू हैव द सर्किट, जो आप अपना सर्किट बनाने वाले हैं, जो मेन हम टिंकरिंग करने वाले हैं, तो वो सेटअप हमारा बनेगा बैक साइड पे. एंड फाइनली वी विल असेंबल इट टुगेदर एंड वी विल हैव आवर DIY वैक्यूम क्लीनर. समझाने के लिए आप सबको अभी काम कैसे करता है, हाउ डज इट वर्क. So when I will turn on this motor circuit, I will turn it on, it will remove all the air which is inside this chamber, it will throw it out, creating a low pressure inside this particular area. अब low pressure क्या होता है? Low pressure अंदर create हुआ और आपकी air बाहर चली गई, but आगे वाले portion से हमारे पास high pressure है. High pressure हमारी बाहर की air में तो high pressure रहेगा,
So we are going to learn हम इस एयर प्रेशर को कैसे यूज कर सकते हैं और उससे हम उसे यूटिलाइज करते हुए हम अपनी क्लीनअप को वर्क कैसे करवा सकते हैं DIY वैक्यूम क्लीनर. So if I want to start, I will turn this circuit on. वो एक कुछ प्रेशर क्रिएट होगा, हमारी एयर इससे बाहर चली जाएगी. अंदर जैसे लो प्रेशर क्रिएट हुआ, आगे की आपकी जो ओपन एयर से हाई प्रेशर से लो प्रेशर मूव करने के लिए आपकी एयर सीधा इससे अंदर जाएगी along with the dust. आपके जितने भी डस्ट पार्टिकल्स या जो भी होंगे वो आपको क्लीनिंग में हेल्प करेंगे. I will show you one picture. I'll share my screen and show it to you all कि ये कैसे होने वाला है. So you all need to give me a thumbs up if you will be able to see my screen. Okay. So I hope you all can see my screen.
Hey, Java School se.
Yes, amazing. Thank you everyone. I can see your thumbs up, which means that you can see my screen. Thank you so much for that. So all the students who are there, just look at this picture. Just we are going to have this front part which is going to suck in the dirt and the air particles like dirt. Air fan attached. जब आप अपनी मोटर को ऑन करोगे तो अंदर का एयर प्रेशर जितना भी एयर है that will be thrown out from the pure air section. ठीक है. जब हमारे लिए अंदर की एयर लो प्रेशर क्रिएट करेगी, हमारा जो फ्रंट पार्ट है नॉजल जो हमने ये डिजाइन किया है, इससे हमारी बाहर की जो हाई प्रेशर एयर है वो ऑटोमेटिकली I think you all can see my workstation. Okay. Is it visible to all? Yes, I can see a lot of thumbs up. And I see so many schools are there who are participating in this event. So let's do it together and show that we cannot just we will need the soldering iron kit. So you all have soldering iron kit, and I think you all are aware that it might not be there on your tables, but be careful. Use it. We'll be using a little bit of it during our session. So some soldering wire. We can use some insulation things. Any school who's facing difficulty or may not be able to do the soldering, you can use insulation things for making the connection. So we'll need a little bit of that. We will need a mesh cloth, a bandage which can be used. We'll be needing some wires, hook wires. This you all have it in your hands. Along with that, we are going to use some tools to complete our activity, which is a scissors. You will need a wire cutter. You will need a simple cutter, some glue gun and glue sticks, and most important of all, one thing I did introduce in the beginning, that is this suction cup. So in case schools are not having this, I'll show you something how you can do it. So it's your paper. For example, you can simply go to the paper, you can take it and you can put this in front of you. What we have. Okay. Now we have talked about all the material. But one thing is here. That is something which is very So you will remove the front part by cutting it completely and the back. So I'm doing it, you want to do it with me. So we might take a little time to do this. So keep going everyone, side by side with me. I want to do it again and you keep doing it. I want to have a look at the end once I'm done. I will do it yours. Very good. अब मेरे साथ ये बॉटल इस तरीके से कट कर सकते हैं बॉटल के हमारे पास दो पार्ट्स अवेलेबल हैं आप सभी अपनी बॉटल को टू पीसेस में कट कर लें one importantly see my bottle is not even so just make sure you have an even structure in the center so that you can join both the parts so in case if your bottle is having elongated ends अगर आपकी बॉटल के अंदर uneven shape है कुछ please interrupt this and you can have a straight structure the even one all together so I'm going to do this one also to make it now we can use the bottle to use our bottle again you can use the scissors and you can simply just cut this and make sure that it is even. Please remember, please keep the bottle together evenly clustered. इस तरीके can we have a look at some of the tools working in this activity? I think we can केंद्रीय विद्यालय JNU और बाल कोचिंग this is बाल भवन public school. Okay. I think we are not able to see their screen. Any other school which we can see? Can we spotlight and we can have a look at it? Very nice, very good. The other guys did very nice. I can see one. Very nice, amazing. Bilaspur Occupation Center. Do we have the two parts of the bottle ready? Can you quickly show it to us like this on the camera?
Yes, we do that.
Yeah, very nice. Action. We are not going to have anything. We can simply leave the circuit like this. We will fix the circuit and it will work. No, it is not going to work, everyone. So we have to make holes in the back part of the bottle. So you can use your soldering iron and you can make holes. So someone should put just the bottle. Okay. I think I will show the next step together. Hopefully, it should have done. It should be heated and if you can see, everyone please follow this instruction and start making holes at the back of your bottle. Particularly on this holding. Make sure you are not holding yourself. Be very careful and you can make multiple holes so that the air can come out easily out of you. I think you all know. Right?
Terminals are also having terminals. If you all can see on my camera, there are two terminals. The copper ones, if it is visible to all of you. So, but we need to check. Nothing is mentioned over here. Whether it is a positive terminal or a negative terminal, you will not be able to find out. जैसे आपकी बैटरी के अंदर पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव टर्मिनल हमारे होते हैं, उसी तरीके से मोटर की भी दो टर्मिनल्स होती हैं. बट इसमें कुछ भी लिखा नहीं होता है कि ये पॉजिटिव है या नेगेटिव है. तो हम इसको क्विकली एक बार चेक कर लेते हैं कि मोटर का डायरेक्शन किस डायरेक्शन में हमें कनेक्ट करना है जिससे कि वो मूव कर पाए और हमारे वैक्यूम क्लीनर के लिए काम कर पाए. So what I will do, I will connect one terminal of the battery with the connector. I hope you all can see this. अब एक terminal के अंदर I have just slided my wire inside it and I have rolled.
If I'm speaking to you like this, clockwise will be this direction or this direction. What do you think? Okay, it will be this direction. So this direction. You all can see that? Amazing.
उसका टर्मिनल से चेंज कर
So अब इस सर्किट को switch हमने एक्चुअली वायर और इसको कनेक्ट कर दिया एक वायर को हमारे स्विच के टर्मिनल के साथ में simply use insulation tape if you do not have so I'm taking a small part of it.
तो आपने क्या करना है, यू हैव टू मेक अ कट ऑन इट. फर्स्ट यू कनेक्ट विद रेड. ओके, अप्लाई tape, electric tape over here. Okay, now apply electric tape on it. You will apply it. Okay, now once you do one thing, remove it. One terminal to one.
Just to make things easier, I will share my screen and I will show you a circuit
Like that.
so you can follow the instructions
Okay,
and you can
and
make yourself. Okay.
okay, now connect it. You can solder it also, but हमारे पास अगर मान लो कि सोल्डिंग में टाइम लगेगा, so you can do it like that. And take another wire. We will connect it like that. Okay, now we have a two wires, one live wire and अब ये हमारे पास दो वायर हो गए, one here, one here. You can connect it with the motors. Okay, and when you switch on or switch off, the motor will look. Let me. You can use okay, कोई नहीं, it's okay. Connect the another or touch another wire. It is working. Now it is off. Okay, connect it. Thank you.
अपने मोटर फिक्स करनी है हमारी बॉटल के अंदर. Do you think we can keep it inside just like that? What will happen if I keep my motor just like that? It is going to bottle. अगर मैं अपनी मोटर को ऐसे ही बॉटल में रख देती हूँ तो बॉटल करने वाली है. तो मुझे उसको इस तरीके से प्लेस करना है मेरी बॉटल के अंदर कि उसके ब्लेड जो है वो उसकी साइड को टच ना करे. So you all need to take care of this, that you need to place your motor inside the bottle in a way that it should not touch the sides of the bottle. The plates should not touch the sides of the bottle. So what are we going to do for that? I have an idea that we can use. You all have given sticks, right? You take a stick and start on your motor. And we can I can see so many students who are working on it and are doing it so nicely. That's amazing to see all of you working on it. So for being an airtight section, we have to just take this photograph and take a hold of this. You can again use your soldering iron and you can make a small hole and you can take it. And you all can see, I made a small hole in this, and slowly I can just touch it.
एक एक रोल मार
Namaste everyone. I am Aslesha Singh from DAB Public School Bakri, ATL number 1694850. Today on the opportunity of Atal Tinkering Day, we have made the project on a small model of a vacuum cleaner. We were so excited to make this project and we made it, but we have done this. We enjoy too much to make this. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Myself, Asta, and I'm the team leader of this team. Our ATL ID is 1694580. At the day of Mega Tinkering Day, we have made a small project on small model of vacuum cleaner. Vacuum cleaner. The type of difficulties that we have faced while making this, the battery was sometimes the battery was dead. That's all.
Greetings to all of you. Today, on the day of Mega Tinkering Day, we the students of DAV Bakri ATL code 1694580, Soumya Thakur, Shreyashi Singh, Sakshi, Samiksha Sinha, have made this project, which is actually a prototype of how a vacuum cleaner actually works. So basically, we have used normal propeller, small motor, and battery, and we have also attached a bandage as a filtering entity, which will help us to filter the small particles so that it doesn't go throughout the circuit and ruin it. Moving forward to its mechanism, we are using a agarbatti. Hold it closer. So after we can see that we can clearly see that how a vacuum is created inside it, and so that to fill the vacuum, the air the air basically the dust air is going towards is going towards the propeller, and in this way it is actually filtering it. And if we have used a larger motor or a big propeller, then it would have been better, but still we have made it in an efficient way. That's it. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Advik Chaube. I am from class 8. Today we are here in the ATL lab on the occasion of Mega Tinkering Day. I am here with my group. Let me introduce them with you first.
Myself, Arab Kumar, I am from class 8.
Myself, Abhinandan Raj from class 8A.
Myself, Abhigyan Akshat from class 8.
We all read in DAV Public School, Bakri, Muzaffarpur. We have prepared this small model of vacuum cleaner, which is very important for present time, as in the present time our surroundings are quite dirty and polluted. So I think so that it is the best device which can clean basic dirt and dust around the our surroundings. The materials used in it are very low costed, and the materials used in it are a propeller, DC motor, 9-volt battery, switch, cardboard, and etc. basic meters. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you. Myself Arjun Raj, studying in DA Public School, Bakri. And ATL number is 1694580, and we take part in Mega Drinking Day. And my team is,
Yes, Rajeshwar. Vikramasin.
and we make the project of the prototype of the vacuum cleaner, and the working and its working is that due to the low pressure inside the bottle, the vacuum is created and the dust particles come inside the bottle. Thank you.
Namaste everyone. I am Risu Chan, team leader of my team from DAV Muzaffarpur. My ATL number is 16948 and 45800. Today is very great day. Today is Mega Tinkering Day. We are making a basic vacuum cleaner and useful. It is very cost effective and valuable. It is very used in rural areas and very cost effective, and this is very portable. I am very fun it, and I am excited to make it, and I am learning about the low pressure and circuit diagrams. We are making ATL Muzaffarpur. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Aditya Mahiwal from DAV Public School, Muzaffarpur, Bihar. Today on the occasion of Mega Tinkering Day, we have made a project of vacuum cleaner. We faced little bit difficulty while making this. We faced difficulty in adjusting propeller and DC motor, but with the help of team effort, we have all done it. This project was all based on education and information purpose. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, I am Ankit Kumar from 9th B standard. The ATL number is 1698584580001. We have made a vacuum cleaner from wasted items like bottles, pipes, cardboards, etc. It is our first project, so thank you.
Greetings to you all. My name is Amlendu Gaurav. I am from DAV Public School, Darbhanga Road, Muzaffarpur. Our ATL number is 1694580, and we have made an DIY mini vacuum cleaner, and we have experienced a lot in this project, and we have also faced some difficulties like motor was not working properly and some circuit issues, but we overcame the problems, and we have experienced a lot. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Ayush Anand and I am the student of DAV Public School, and my ATL code is 1694580. Today, on the special occasion of Mega Tinkering Day, we have made a project of a vacuum cleaner. We have faced a lot of problems regarding this project, and as we are the innovators of ATL Lab, we overcome these challenges and we face these challenges and we made this project made successful. And our main objective to make this project was to participate and students of other ATLs. Thank you.
Hello everybody, this is Ibrahim Singh from DAV Public School, Bakri Branch, Muzaffarpur, along with my team. Today I have participated in the Mega Tinkering Day, and through this we have got to make a project of basic small mini vacuum cleaner. This can be useful in maintaining cleanliness over through the desk or your workplace. Actually, this is an act by the government of India through a special occasion, the Mega Tinkering Day, on which the government of our nation is trying to encourage people on the topic that they should maintain cleanliness around them. That's why they are increasing this cleanliness project through participating different schools and letting them make some projects like this vacuum cleaner. This is a mini vacuum cleaner which we made through very basic and simple things using like plastic pipe, bottle and motors, etc., which we use in our daily life. And also we face some difficulties in making this project, but it's normal because everything which looks easy is not that easy, we know, and but still we made it successfully, and it works, and it helps us to maintain cleanliness around our workplace and this, and it's useful in our daily life too. Thank you.